started. It sits next to me and smiles, listens to all of my words, relaxes all of my nerves. Like breathe in, let it go, shout it out. Take deep breaths and breathe slow, calm down. Close my eyes, sound soft, ease my mind, take control, calm my body, please. Work your psychology. He's taking good care of me, always been there for me. Boy, I can better leave, 'cause I need your therapy. You're giving me everything, so much I ever could need. Thought you were making the knees. I need your therapy, oh, 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 yeah, 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 oh, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hating gabi na at malapit na ang pagsapit ng umaga. Patuloy na gising at nagmumuni-muni. Di batid kung ba't gising pa ang aking diwa. Mata ko'y unti-unti nang namumungay, dulot ng antok na nagbabadya. Ngunit masisisi mo ba ako kung sa buwan ako'y mapapatulala? Hindi mapigilan na maakit sa pagkinang ng bilog na buwan. Lumiliwanag dulot ng dilim ng langit at napapalibutan ng bituin. Di maikakaila ang pagiging bukod-tangi sa taglay nitong angkin. Paano ko maitatanggi ang taglay mong rikit? Kung ako'y nahahalina, sana ako'y mabigyang pansin. Ang buwan ko'y ikaw. Sa tuwin ay lagi kang tanglaw. Ang buwan ko'y ikaw. Kahit pa ang liwanag mo'y pumanglaw. Kung sumapit man ang araw sa umaga, ika'y aabangan sa pagdilim ng langit. Handang mapuyat sa gabi, ikaw lamang ay makapiling. Ikaw ang aking buwan na matakman man ng ulap sa makulimlim na gabi. Ngunit ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang aking hahanapin. Patuloy na masasabik sa iyong liwanag kahit may mga bituin na nagnanais agawin ang iyong pagningning. Marami mang kumukuti-kutita at iba-ibang kulay na bituin sa langit. Tandaan mo, mahal, ikaw ang aking buwan na nagsisilbing atraksyon ko sa gabi. Ang buwan na pinakapaborito kong sulipan sa madilim na langit. Ang buwan na aking kinasasabikang makita at aking iniibig. Ang buwan ko'y ikaw.
He puts his hand on my lower back, his face on my neck, and says something to make me laugh. Makes me forget I was mad. His touch feels so right, it's like he's reading my mind. I need him all the time, like breathe in, let it go, shout it out. Take deep breaths and breathe slow, calm down. Close my eyes, sound soft, ease my mind, take control, calm my body, please. Work your psychology. He's taking good care of me, always been there for me. Boy, I can better leave, 'cause I need your therapy. Giving me everything, so much I ever could need. Without you I'm making the knees. I need your therapy, oh, 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 yeah, 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 yeah.